Sona ma'am, I was
Today,
just asking them.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I was asking
Yes, ma'am.
them whether they have filled the form or no, because if they'll go on filling the form at least once, then they'll have the confidence. And if they'll, we
Yes,
can
correct.
guide them where they are making some mistakes or anything, no?
Yeah, actually, yesterday Shikha and Nishta and the other 2-3 dietitians were there with me online, and I definitely told you all, as and how you all pick up the cases, you all will be very comfortable in the application. जो हम ये सारी चीजें आपको आज बता रहे हैं ना, the therapies on what your treatment is going to be based, the water, the food, the Ayurvedas, और जो भी हम आपको सप्लीमेंट बैकअप बता रहे हैं, तो ये आप तभी कर पाओगे जब आप लाइव केसेस लोगे. ओनली देन यू कैन हेल्प टू ट्रीट द पेशेंट. तो आप लोग वो जो मैडम आपको बता रही है, आई होप यू ऑल नो व्हाट फॉर्म इज शी आस्किंग यू ऑल टू फिल. शिखा, निष्ठा?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, वो काउंसलिंग.
No. Actually, sorry, I just joined in. I really don't have any idea about the form.
I'll connect with you, Shikha. I am telling you the distributor file. जो भी चीज है, whatever we are taking up, it everything is there in the distributor. इसलिए मैंने कल आप लोगों को पर्सनली भी मैसेज किया था कि प्लीज गो थ्रू द फाइल. सब कुछ उसी में है. तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर फाइल पे आप देखोगे ना, वो कंटेंट्स के बाद पेज नंबर 4 पे एक फॉर्म है जो हमारा काउंसलिंग फॉर्म है. वो हमने इसलिए आप लोगों के लिए बनाया है कि आप जब भी कोई भी केसेस लेते हो तो किस इस पे लेना चाहिए. व्हाट आर द लाइंस दैट यू नीड टू फॉलो. सो व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग द फूड ग्रुप, तो आपको उसका आई मीन ब्लड ग्रुप, तो आपको उसका ब्लड ग्रुप पता होना चाहिए. वो डिजीज का जो टाइम है, कब से उनको डिजीज है वो पता होना चाहिए. उनको वो डिजीज के लिए कौन से मेडिकेशंस ले रहे हैं वो पता होना चाहिए. उसके बाद नीचे, हैव यू सीन the form, Shikha? You're new.
Yes. I got it now. I got it. Which form you're saying? That I've been through that. Now I got it. Which form you're saying? Yeah, right.
So please refer to that file. उस file में आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. And as in how you will refer the file, ना, you will come up. See, we don't want you all to come up with any confusions. But yes, queries which we can resolve. आप queries जब आती है ना, तो ये आपका interest दिखाता है.
Right.
When anybody asks a question on the group, it means that yes, you are connecting with us. So wo aap, hello, good morning Narendra ji. Yes, Neelam, please welcome. Ashwini.
Hi, good morning ma'am.
Good morning. Minal madam is still yet to come. तो आप ये सारी चीजें करके you submit it to us ताकि हम go through करें. और जब हम आपका एक छोटा सा एग्जामिनेशन लेंगे to understand how you have followed the concept, only then you all will. वरना सीखने के लिए तो yes, we all nod our heads, right? But when it comes to answering anything in particular, we are not very sure. How was yesterday's session with all the other fitness pillars? Have you all gone through the file again? The question is repetitive. नरेंद्र जी, क्या आपके पास फाइल आया?
Hello.
Yeah, hi, good morning Narendra.
Hi, good
Did you
morning.
receive the distributed file?
Yes, I have gone through this. I have received it.
Yeah, have. Okay, great. So have you gone through it?
Yes,
Okay,
bit of it. Yeah.
It would be very easy if you all would have relate to every topic that we do, because हम फाइल में से ही कर रहे हैं वैसे भी.
Okay.
हर चीज हम उसी को अपना ये बना के आपको दिखा रहे थे. फाइल में अगर आप देखोगे, हमने आपको जो फिटनेस पिलर के बारे में कल डिस्कस किया था. Have you gone through it? Can we have how many of us are here? Can we have a recap of the fitness pillars? Till Meenal madam joins in.
Sona ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
Yesterday we discussed about sugar replace. We can replace sugar by jaggery, like that. But for the diabetes patient, what we can recommend them?
what is not recommended other than sugar for diabetes according to you, madam? आपको क्या लगता है? What is not recommended to them?
उन्हें जैसे कि शुगर रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया जाता है, लो कार्ब डाइट दिया जाता है उनको, तो उन्हें हम लोग जैगरी सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं या नहीं, और या फिर हम उन्हें स्टीविया सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं या नहीं?
पहले तो मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि शुगर इन एनी फॉर्म इज नॉट एप्ट फॉर द डायबिटीज. अब ये शुगर इट्स नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम द गुड़, खजूर, शक्कर, बट यू ऑल नो दैट कार्ब्स आल्सो कैरी शुगर, राइट? सिंपल शुगर्स, कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर्स. हाँ, अब रहा आप जो वेरिएशन या आप जो अल्टरनेटिव पूछ रहे हो शुगर का, तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू आस्क द पेशेंट, इज ही एबल टू अफोर्ड स्टीविया? ठीक है. What is stevia? Stevia आजकल pellets में मिलते हैं. You don't get the plant. I hope everybody knows what is stevia. Stevia sugar.
Yes, yes.
Sona ma'am.
Yes, yes, tell me.
You not be knowing.
I can't hear you, madam. I can't hear you.
Sona ma'am.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
Sona ma'am, please explain.
वो stevia people may be, all of them may not be knowing.
Okay.
For some it may be new, so you just explain them. You teach them what it is like. Okay.
Okay. Let it be an interactive. हाँ, बोलिए.
नहीं, because dietitian group knows it, but everyone is not from the dietitian group.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling you. Let it be interactive. How many of us have heard about stevia first thing? कितना latest चीज है?
Yes.
We have heard about it, okay? अब stevia क्या है?
Naturally derived sugar from the plant.
अच्छा, कितने लोगों ने, हम लोगों ने उस plant को देखा है? What form of stevia have we seen?
We have seen only in the form of powdered or pellets, which we get from the market, but not the plant. Yes, right, definitely.
Exactly.
We will not be able to bought it like.
Yes, we will not be able to see the plant because ये tropical, subtropical जगहों पे ज़्यादा grow हुआ है, and it is brought to us from the west culture. हाँ, ये west culture से हमारे पास आया है, तो हमारे पास इसका process form आया है pellets बनके, ठीक है? Again, कल हम नरेंद्र जी से भी यही डिस्कस कर रहे थे. We don't know the authenticity part in it. तो स्टीविया, yes, if it is good for your pocket, आप अच्छा ब्रांड का ले सकते हो, तो एक रिप्लेसर हो सकता है. But आप कितना? You know the cost? Anybody of us knows the cost of stevia?
It's quite expensive. I remember I once bought it in a big jar type of in the powder form. It cost me around 354 rupees. But it was a big packing. But yes, it was really expensive in comparison to normal organic jaggery or sugar we buy. It's expensive. Like it's not
that easy to afford it.
Anybody can afford it. Yes, it's not feasible for everybody to buy it.
Correct. I had been given a seminar for a pharma company, and they told me कि आप थोड़ा stevia के बारे में बता दो, and I asked them the rate. So they were providing कुछ 150 for 100 pellets. ठीक है? तो आप सोचो, एक pellet, it is very small, बहुत छोटा, वो crystal sugar के size से भी छोटा होता है. Okay, आप सोचो ये अगर एक आप अपने चाय में डालोगे, will it give you any taste? It won't. So the recommended dose was around 2 to 3 pellets. Okay, so imagine the cost effectiveness of that. तो first, so आपको patients को देखना है कि वो pocket friendly है कि नहीं, कभी भी कोई चीज ये करने के लिए. अगर हम उसके benefits की बात करें अभी, तो yes, it's a good replacer for sugar. ठीक है? It is a plant derivative. तो वो जो natural, जैसे foods में sugar जो होती है, fruits में वो भी natural derivatives होती हैं. ठीक है? तो वो है. दूसरा, इसमें जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं वो हमारा मेटाबॉलिज्म भी बढ़ाती है. ठीक है? न्यूट्रिएंट फैक्टर्स भी इसमें अच्छा है, ब्लड शुगर्स को लो करती हैं, लो रखती हैं, वेट लॉस वालों के लिए अच्छी हैं, बिकॉज द स्टडी हैज फाउंड दैट स्टीविया में लोअर योर कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल्स, योर ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स. ठीक है? ये सब चीजें हैं, बट टू मच ऑफ कंजम्पशन ऑफ दिस can have your impact on your blood sugar also. ये भी है. There is a study about this too. ठीक है? तो जो भी चीज which is processed and which is coming to you in its processed form is not safe. हमेशा याद रखना. हाँ, अगर आप बोलते हैं कि मेरे पास इसका प्लांट है तो मैं इसको अपने पावर जूस में डाल रही हूँ, इसके लीव्स को यूज कर रही हूँ, सो दिस इज द प्योरेस्ट एंड द नेचुरल एंड द सेफेस्ट फॉर्म. ओके, तो इसके रिकमेंडेशंस आप पेशेंट के यूसेज पे रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से आपने करनी है. Neelam, I hope I'm answering your question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So the best replacer for you is khajur for diabetics. ठीक है, you're good if you get it organic way.
Okay.
ठीक है, आपके जो ड्राई फ्रूट्स हैं उसमें भी अच्छे शुगर कंटेंट रहते हैं, नेचुरल शुगर कंटेंट्स इन एप्रिकॉट, इन योर अंजीर. ठीक है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ब्लड ग्रुप. इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग द ब्लड ग्रुप, देखो जो प्रोटोकॉल आप फॉलो कर रहे हो इस हिसाब से डाइट दिया जाए, स्पेशली फॉर द डायटिशियंस आवर हियर. अगर आप ब्लड ग्रुप के हिसाब से कर रहे हो तो यू सर्च फॉर द फूड व्हिच आर हैविंग देयर नेचुरल शुगर कंटेंट.
Can I say?
Yeah, tell me.
See, in Saudi Arabia, people don't add sugar to the tea. They call it gawa. But to that kawa, they don't add this thing, sugar. They instead they hold khajur in one hand and a cup of tea in the other one. That way, that's the way they drink the tea.
Yes.
That is how they consume tea.
Yes. Even I have heard of this. Yes. See, it is all how you want to tell yourself.
Because in Saudi Arabia, diabetes rate is very high, and that's why they are conscious about the sugar.
Okay, I think we have already come up to 11. It's 10:53. मीनल मैडम के साथ सुप्रिया मैडम आपने कनेक्ट किया था?
हाँ, मैंने किया था. I think there is some connection issue. So she told that you start yesterday's recap.
Okay, I'll start the recap then, but we are still missing on participants. कल तक हमारे पास around 15 to 16 people थे. So we are just 10 of us. Should we start with the recap कल का?
Yeah, because see, if you go on delaying, then she won't be able to complete it, na?
Correct. Okay, कल का हमारा fitness pillars था. We were speaking about the 5 fitness pillars: food ingredients, your water, your breath, your supplements, sunbath, physical exercise, and we came to know कि हम कैसे छोटे-छोटे changes करके we can change the way food can influence our health. जैसे rock salt has to be replaced instead of your white salt. Then we had the use of unrefined oils, sugar to be replaced by honey or good, and cooking. Yes, the techniques of cooking which madam explained, that अपने cookware को कैसे हमने change करना चाहिए. Pressure cooking is fast cooking of foods, so that definitely as a consultant मैं इतना बोलूं कि जितना हम खाने को पका के खाते हैं, we are making our stomach lazy. तो हमारा digestion जितना raw food और जितना अच्छे से हम वो food को grade करेंगे with our digestive juices, our metabolism also will be enhanced. So definitely cooking in the cooker helps the food cook faster and your digestive system gets weaker. Cookware हमको बदलना चाहिए. She said yes, incorporation of the elements from these type of cookware helps in your mineral absorptions. जैसे अगर हम ज़्यादा ब्रॉन्ज या कॉपर या आयरन के बर्तनों में खाना पकाते हैं तो उनके एलिमेंट्स भी हमको मिलते हैं. आयरन एब्जॉर्प्शन, कॉपर एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड योर ब्रास वेसल्स. ये सारी चीजों में जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं वो हमारे मेटाबॉलिज्म को एनहांस करते हैं डेफिनेटली, एंड दे आल्सो हेल्प अस रिलीव द डिजीज स्टेट ऑफ द बॉडी. एल्यूमिनियम इज डेफिनेटली नॉट गुड. या नॉन स्टिक वेयर, उसके तो काफी सारे स्टडीज हैं कि उनका नॉन स्टिक जो टेफ्लॉन कोटिंग है वो कितना रिस्की है. कैंसर प्रोड्यूसिंग कार्सिनोजेनिक उसमें सब्सटेंसेस हैं. इसके अलावा शी सेड हाउ डू वी give food according to the blood group. उसके हिसाब से fitness diet, yes, how do we take our meals? We should have at least 80% of food, only 50 to 80% of food according to our hunger. जितना हो सके raw food खाएं as much as possible than the cooked meals. Before eating our main meals, let's indulge in raw eating. In between snacks के लिए भी she said have it straight rather from cooked form. Have it straight, जैसे nuts हैं, dry fruits हैं, fruits हैं. Other than this, she spoke about water. Water definitely हम alkaline पानी अगर हमको मिल सके तो very good. अगर नहीं मिल सके तो best way to make your water alkaline is putting it in the copper vessel. Copper आपके body water को alkaline करता है. Adding gold and silver enhances the mineral properties. Electrolyte level आपका बढ़ाता है. दूसरा, आप lime juice भी पूरा दिन में पी सकते हो in warm lukewarm water. This also enhances the alkalinity of your body. तो alkaline पानी अगर हम, if we can afford the machine, if we can buy a machine, nothing like that. If we cannot, then there are other ways to improve the alkalinity of water. मटके का पानी is the best. ठीक है, earthenware में से पानी जिसमें हम metals add करें जैसे gold and silver and copper, and इसी को हम cooking में भी use करें. दूसरा, for breath she said for a fresh air we use alum. Many of us even keep salt, sea salt, the rock salt, ठीक है, which is attributed to positive energies. Anybody having a question in between?
Oh, so, but you are not done.
Yes, Supriya
Okay,
madam.
no problem. So you are not going.
Okay, I think she's on call. Okay, and after that we came to know about food supplements. अगर आप लोग फाइल को आपने ब्रश अप किया है तो you all know that the food supplements list है वहाँ पे. We are not promoting any sale, but yes, these are absolutely based on the Ayush elements. Natural हैं ये जितने भी supplements यहाँ पे listed हैं. CMD, kidney care, honey, Calmac-D, Livocare, Diacare. So if you feel that the patient does need to switch from the pharma and the medical industry to a naturopathy or a natural element medications, you can suggest them these. इसके अलावा sunbath, yes, vitamin D. आजकल हर डॉक्टर सबको बोल रहा है you're vitamin D deficient, and we also just take the call and we start taking some supplementation for it. But sunbath is the best thing, and we are blessed in India to have direct sunlight out here. Physical exercise, कोई भी एक्सरसाइज हो, चाहे वो ब्रीदिंग हो, वो मोबिलिटी हो, शुड बी डेफिनेटली एनकरेज्ड. आप अपने पेशेंट को मोटिवेट करते रहें कि किसी भी तरीके से फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज वो करने की कोशिश करें. इफ ही कांट डू एनीथिंग, ही इज बेडरिडन, तो प्राणायाम या कंसंट्रेशन ऑन द ब्रेथ मूवमेंट्स आल्सो वर्क्स वंडर्स. आई थिंक वी हैड डन ऑल दिस. एनी क्वेश्चंस टिल नाउ? Yes. Any questions till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Supriya madam.
Hello.
The next topic, power diet. Will you take up the power diet topic?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, this is Narendra.
Yeah, tell me.
I want to just, I have one question. Suppose one patient is on bed right now. Okay. Not having any movement. Then what is the best we can do for him?
Yes, if he's bedridden with any ailments or he's
Yeah.
having any mobility issues.
He's having mobility issues.
Sorry?
He's having mobility issue.
अच्छा, तो ऐसे केसेस वही होते हैं जो एक्सीडेंट बेसिस होते हैं या एज रिलेटेड होते हैं, राइट?
एज रिलेटेड है. एज रिलेटेड है.
बेडरिडन है. ओके, बेडरिडन पेशेंट्स के लिए आप एक्सेस, हाँ,
even he is not able to speak, he can just recognize and he can just blink his eyes and stuff. That's it.
See, for these kinds of age onset diseases, आप उनके mind को जितना interactive रख सकते हो, आप उतना ही कर सकते हो, because he cannot even speak. But if he can recognize, he can hear you, he can connect with you. All that you can tell him to concentrate on his breathing exercises, जो हम ध्यान लगाना बोलते हैं in our culture. You know, you can play any meditative tune for him where he can just concentrate on his breathing pattern. अगर ये बंदा इतना भी करता है on regular basis करता है, तो he develops his internal immuno healing capacity. उसके अलावा in physiotherapy treatments we have these soft balls. If he can move his limbs, his palms, तो वो spiky balls आते हैं. If we can just press it, because हमारे सारे according to the naturopath, according to the Rigi acupressure, we have all the points on our palms and soles of our hands and feet. तो वो उतना अगर वो कर पाते हैं, तो this also can help a lot of relieving to his अभी देखो age onset है. I will not expect any fast recovery. I will not assure you कि आप ये करवाओगे वो उठ के दौड़ने चलेगा. Please let us give practical things to the patient.
Yes, definitely.
है ना? So we have to connect to him. You cannot give him false implications. तो आप इससे वो अपने immune system को उसके endurance या उसके perseverance की क्षमता बढ़ा सकते हो आप. I can help you combat I can help you fight the disease that you're going through. उतना हम कर सकते हैं. बाकी definitely if he is bed stricken तो इनके काफी सारे other चीजें भी होंगी, medications पे होंगे वो, age वजह से वो बाहर mobility in terms of his limbs must be restricted. So at the most आप इनको at least every 2-3 hours 5 minutes के लिए उनको कह सकते हैं कि अपने breathing पे concentrate करें. और अगर वो अपने hands वगैरह move कर सकते हैं तो you can get that spike ball for him.
Okay.
Okay.
Supriya madam, are you going to connect with the power diet?
Start with the power
Yes.
diet.
Yes.
Okay. Hello everybody. I start with the power diet. For this, first thing you have, as soon as a person get up, then that person has to drink water early morning. How much ever yesterday Meenal madam has already told that you have to drink early morning as much as you can in before brushing. So that is a very good habit. And water also should be consumed 1 hour, so almost 45 minutes to 1 hour before any meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or after 1 hour after every meal. Then and use as much as you can the alkaline water for consumption. For this power diet, you have to use the raw food at least about maximum up to 80%. But initially people won't take it, so you can start with 50%. Means I'll give you example. Suppose a person is weighing 60 kilo, then the person is supposed to eat 600 grams, including fruits and vegetables, raw. So raw means salad, which it could be onion, cucumber, tomato, beetroot, moola, carrot, lettuce leaves, palak leaves, all these, you know. And initially it is very boring, because when I went to US for the first time in a conference, I was given a box of all these vegetable salads and all that with a slice of chicken. So I was so angry that this is not a lunch for me, because the concept 10 years back was not for me, you know. But now I came to know why they have given that type of diet. So the ideal thing is for breakfast, take 80% of mostly the fruits, and 20% you can take your own nasta, like whatever is cooked, like poha, upma, whatever is dosa, vada sambar, whatever is based on the culture. Means North India, it could be different, chole bhature, or in South India, it could be dosa. Depending, Maharashtra, it will be poha, upma. So depending on the place, our sandwiches can be taken. But the thing is, take 80% of raw fruits and vegetables. Then after that, in the afternoon, you take the lunch, which is also 80%. First, you take the salad 1 hour in advance, and then after that, you can take 20% of your lunch, which is cooked by your, which is cooked in your kitchen. Then in the evening, when you feel little bit hungry, then you can take green tea and take 10% of your weight. Means suppose 660 kilogram will take 60 grams of dry fruits. So dry fruits should be consumed based on ABO blood group diet. So whatever is allowed, those dry fruits should be consumed by that person. Then for the dinner, again same, 1 hour in advance, you take the salad 80% to fill your stomach, followed by whatever is cooked, 20% you take it for filling your this thing, stomach. So that is how you should, this is the way in which you can advise patient to take a power diet to keep that person healthy and fit. Okay, over to you, Sona ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Sona ma'am?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I'm here. Yes. So the power diet.
So should I start with the power juice?
Sorry, ma'am.
You
I
want me
did
to
not get you. Yes,
You
ma'am.
want me
Please
to cover
continue
up
since you're
power?
already in the link.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Please
till
continue. I will
come.
just gist up in the I will just gist up after you're done.
No, because Meenal ma'am is busy with her mom when therapist has
Yeah,
come.
she's
So
driving
till
right
then
now.
I will
Yes.
continue. Okay.
नहीं, आप
So-
continue करिए. I will gist up. You can continue with the superpower diet now.
Yeah. Now I'll take power juice. Here,
power juice.
suppose I told you that you have to consume 80% of raw food. So people may not be able to chew everything, especially those who have weak teeth and all, or old age people. So they will prefer juice. So choose the vegetables and fruits according to your blood group chart, and they make a juice. Like for instance, you can add coriander leaves, ginger, garlic, pudina, tulsi, bel patra, kadi patta, cucumber, then turmeric stick, awla, palak, dudhi, then leaves of whatever is nearby in your garden. Then mango leaves, papaya leaves, neem leaves can be added. Then you grind them and then you strain it. And after straining, you serve with the either you can serve that juice with either one day with lemon juice, other day you can add senda namak, other day you can add gur, or you can add honey to give better change of taste. Because if you give same taste every day, then the patient may not like it. So it is better to add something else to change the taste so that it will not be everyday repetition of the same taste. So the person can take it. Yes, anyone wants to talk? Hello? Okay. So
please mute your
suppose
mics, everybody. There's a kind request. Mr. Ram, please mute your mics. Since I cannot control your systems, please mute your mics. Yes, Supriya madam, continue.
Yeah. So suppose person wants to go for fasting. Because fasting is always better because it is a way of detoxifying your body. So you can take during fasting 2 glasses of power juice. Whatever way I told you how to mix it and strain it and then consume, that juice can be consumed for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and whenever you feel thirsty, then take water. It will be sufficient for you to give energy. But this power juice should be avoided for the kidney patients, and try to avoid while having this, you are on the medication, means taking the supplements, people should try to avoid alcohol, cold drinks to get the better effect fast. So it is the stopping patients fast. That's why Koha therapy gives fixed time for recovery. Yeah. Anyone wants to ask anything?
Yes, I want to ask. Can you repeat this power usage,
Okay. The content.
please? Yeah, content.
Okay. You can add kadi patta,
Okay.
cucumber, avla, palak, dudhi, then the leaves of mango, papaya, whatever is available, neem leaves, ginger, garlic, pudina, tulsi, belpatra, turmeric, aula. Depending, every day, everything is not needed. 5 to 8 things are okay for you. So everyone, all this content are indirectly having antioxidants
Okay.
able to cure cancer but this is not for the kidney patients.
Kidney
Remember
patient.
that.
Okay.
Avoid for the kidney patients.
Okay.
Anyone else would like to ask?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. You said like we can do fasting, and in fasting we can take power juice. So
Yeah.
apart from power juice, what else can be added into the fasting day, or the whole day we have to take the power juice?
No, it depends on your way of fasting. Suppose people want to go for fasting for full day, so they can
Yeah.
take for breakfast also 2 glasses of power juice, 2 glasses for the lunch, 2 glasses for the dinner. But some people would like to have meal. Then in that case, suppose person wants to take meal for one time. Fasting means one time meal, no?
Yes,
So
yes.
for that meal, you have to take in that case 80% of your raw food and 20% of whatever is cooked in your kitchen. So that is how एक भुक्ता हो सकते हैं.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I intervene over here,
Yeah, sure.
Supriya madam?
Yeah.
अच्छा, शिखा, जो आपका क्वेश्चन है, since you are taking the case, you have to see whether it is just about fasting, you are giving a diet of wellness, or it is a diseased patient. When madam said fasting, it is not necessarily upwas. She didn't mean that. Fasting state is when our body is not eating after we get up in the morning. So our body is fasting for the last 8 hours of sleep also. वो भी fasting mode होता है.
Yes, yes, yes.
हाँ?
These
So
days
जब भी
people
आप,
do a lot of
yeah, tell me Shikha.
These days people do a lot of intermittent fasting
Yes,
also,
yes,
and some
yes.
people go for detox diet. I
Yes.
wanted to ask in that context,
Yes,
like
yes,
when
in
I
that.
do intermittent fasting or I do a detox diet, then I can take the power juice the whole day.
You
Then,
can
as
take
ma'am
it.
said, like 2 days. Yeah.
नहीं सुनिए, आप ले सकते हो, but remember, intermittent fasting is coming from the west. Until now the studies of intermittent fasting say break your intermittent with high amount of protein. तो पहले आपको अपने patient की psychology समझनी पड़ेगी. What is he looking into? ठीक है? This whatever we are doing is based on absolutely natural Ayurveda concepts. If you are taking this as intermittent fasting का एक ये आप वेरिएशन ले रहे हो, तो पहले आपको अपने क्लाइंट की, अपने पेशेंट का नो हाउ, मेंटल नो हाउ जानना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आप डिजीज सी एंड अप्रोच वेरीज, ये चीज आप डिजीज पेशेंट को दे रहे हो तो उसका अप्रोच डिफरेंट होगा, और अगर आप वेलनेस पेशेंट को दे रहे हो, वेट लॉस पेशेंट को दे रहे हो, उसका अप्रोच डिजीज होगा. कहीं पे भी वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि उपवास के दिन ये लेना चाहिए. Okay? Fasting means whenever your body is not eating anything for the past 8, 10, 12, 16 hours. ठीक है?
Right.
आप ये दे सकते हो.
Right.
Okay. Continue, Supriya madam.
Okay. So then you can go for mono diet also. In this, what you have to do is take any one fruit juice or say suppose you have taken 200 ml of fruit juice, then add to it 40 drops of CMD, and then take drink as if it is a meal. And whenever the person is thirsty, then the person can take water along with CMD, 20 drops. But so this is how the mono diet can be done. And while taking the juice and as well as water, you have to prefer glass, yeah, or plastic glass, because you are interested in minerals. So if you consume it, the juice in stainless steel glass, then some of the minerals will be lost. So it is better to take juice in glass or plastic glass. Okay. This mono diet you can continue for 7 days. This is for the sick people, you know, those who are having chronic illness. So this can be continued for 7 days.
Supriya ma'am, it is not compulsory for chronic patient. It can be given for anybody. It can be given for anyone. As I was listening your conversation,
Okay.
okay,
Yeah.
this mono diet, or we give power diet, or we give any of the juices, power juice, can be consumed by any person every morning. I myself take power juice early morning, every day, because it cleans your system thoroughly, so that you don't need to have something else, you know, rather than going for medicines, rather than going for other line of treatment. Power juice, if consumed in the morning hours, it helps you to clean your system, where there is a constipation, where person is not able to pass motions on timely basis. Power juice helps for all that things. So it gives you an antioxidant. See, ma'am, have you told her about the entire power juice, how it is to be done?
Yeah. The
Okay.
content and how to make.
Yeah. Okay. So now has ma'am has told you all how to make power juice. Power juice में जो main important ingredients है, जैसे अदरक. अदरक क्या काम करती है? वो digestive के लिए हमें help करती है. Then comes लहसुन, गार्लिक जिसको हम बोलते हैं, वो क्या काम करती है? वो आपको सल्फर देती है. तो एनी पर्सन विद कैंसर पेशेंट, वी रिकमेंड देम टू टेक अदरक, you know, in power juice. So one of the main thing for any person taking power juice, because cancer cell तो सबके बॉडी में है, it is not there किसी के बॉडी में कैंसर सेल नहीं है. जैसे ही बच्चा पैदा होता है, उसके बॉडी में कैंसर सेल हो जाते हैं, whether not even before born, once the child is in the womb itself, 9 months pregnancy mein. So cancer cells are already there in your body. It is your immunity, it is your metabolism. तो जो हम main ingredients बोलते हैं, garlic, we say ginger, then we say कड़ी पत्ता. कड़ी पत्ता काम क्या करता है? एंटीऑक्सीडेंट का करता है. एंटीऑक्सीडेंट मतलब क्या? आपके ब्लड में जो ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत है, वो ऑक्सीजन फ्लो को बढ़ाता है. We say tulsi. Tulsi is a herb for everything. Everything मतलब if a person has 3 to 5 tulsi pattas in the morning, it helps overall. But power juice में वो ले लेता है, तो it is, you know, one way it is mixing with all the minerals, all the nutrients which is a need for a body. Then we say haldi. हल्दी क्या काम करती है? Turmeric, what it does? It heals. It is an anti-healing property. So when you take a turmeric, so it heals on its own. Inner wound जो आपके होते हैं ना अंदर के, वो automatically cure करता है. अगर आप आंबे हरद लेते हो, तो आंबे हरद is much more better than taking normal हल्दी पाउडर. जो हल्दी पाउडर होता है वो आपको अभी इफेक्ट देता है, बट जो आंबे हरद है वो आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग बेनिफिट देता है. होम्योपैथी मेडिसिन में द मेडिसिन्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड विद आंबे हरद, मेनी मेडिसिन्स, इवन इन आयुर्वेदा. जो हमारी सप्लीमेंट्स हैं, एक दो सप्लीमेंट्स में तो आंबे हरद इज देयर. और आंबे हरद दिखती कैसे आप बोलोगे? इट लुक्स लाइक अ जिंजर. वो फ्रेश मिलती है, और वो जो फ्रेश मिलती है, इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर, ठंडी में, एंड इट गेट्स टिल मार्च, अप्रैल, अप्रैल के बाद भी आपको मिलती है, बट इतनी नहीं मिलेगी, इतनी मार्केट में आपको नहीं दिखेगी। जहां जहां पे कोल्ड क्लाइमेट रहेगा, यू विल गेट इट इवन टिल अप्रैल मई, उसके बाद कम दिखती है। सो आंबे हरद रादर हील्स मोर फास्टर। किसी को रैशेज है, आप आंबे हरद का खाली उसको जूस निकाल के लगा दो, रैशेज खत्म हो जाते हैं। इट हैज गॉट सच अ हीलिंग प्रॉपर्टी। देन वी से जीरा। आप बोलोगे मैं इतनी चीजें गरम ले रही हूँ, अदरक गरम है, लहसुन गरम है, तो हम जीरा क्यों बोलते हैं? जीरा कूल्स योर सिस्टम, इट हैज गॉट एंटी कूलिंग प्रॉपर्टीज। So that is the reason we say jeera is compulsory, haldi is compulsory, ginger is compulsory, garlic is compulsory, कड़ी पत्ता is compulsory and तुलसी पत्ता is compulsory। उसके बाद जो आपको चाहिए आपके बॉडी के हिसाब से you can put, but equal quantity। आप कोथमीर डालोगे, पुदीना डालोगे, पालक डालोगे, it should be in equal quantity, या मोरिंगा डालोगे equal quantity, या फिर मरीरो डालोगे इक्वल क्वांटिटी, मेथी डालोगे इक्वल क्वांटिटी। ये जो सब जाएगा, मेथी बोलो या कड़ी मेथी बोलो या पुदीना बोलो या कोथमीर बोलो या कैप्स या ये बोलो पालक बोलो, दिस विल बी ऑल इन इक्वल क्वांटिटी। और दूसरी बात जो मेन, यस नरेंद्र,
yes, equal quantity in sense you mean the quantity which you have taken garlic, adrak and all
no
the
no
combinations?
not garlic, no not garlic. See, garlic you may put 5 flakes, okay,
okay.
ginger you may put 1 inch, okay, हल्दी you may put a half teaspoon, छोटा वाला चम्मच जो मसाले के लिए हम यूज करते हैं। जीरा भी आप उतना ही डालोगे, ओके, बट जहाँ पे पुदीना, कोथमीर या से ये आता है, पालक आता है, मतलब इट कम्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ स्टिक, राइट, लकड़ी के तौर पे आता है, तो आप एक मुट्ठी लेते हो, आधी मुट्ठी लेते हो, आधी मुट्ठी से कम लेते हो, वो आपके ऊपर है, बट इट शुड बी इक्वली। अगर आपने 5 पत्ते पालक के लिए हैं तो 5 आप पुदीने के लोगे, 5 आप कोथमीर के लोगे, आई मीन टू से इक्वल क्वांटिटी दैट वे। या सो इसमें और इम्पोर्टेंट हम क्या बोलते हैं डालने के लिए? आंवला। आंवला क्यों? आंवला हैज अ प्रॉपर्टी, it has got first and the foremost vitamin C, which boosts your immunity. Second thing, it is high in cleaning your system, it cleans your system very well because of vitamin C। तो वो क्या करता है? आपको एनर्जी बूस्टिंग देता है, आपके ब्रेन को बूस्टिंग देता है, आपके सिस्टम के मेटाबॉलिज्म को बढ़ाता है। तो आंवला इज अ कंपल्सरी, बट अगर समझो बोलोगे आप आंवला मेरे पास नहीं है, तो ड्राई फॉर्म में भी मिलता है। अभी तो आंवला मिलता है, बट स्टिल अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो यू कैन पुट इट एज अ ड्राई, वो भी नहीं कर सकते हो। जब भी सीजन है, जैसे एंड ऑफ मार्च, मैं क्या करती हूँ, एंड ऑफ मार्च में आंवला को पूरा ग्रेट करके जूस निकाल के जूस में यूज कर लेती हूँ। जो वो पाउडर फॉर्म्ड बचा हुआ है, जो ग्रेटेड फॉर्म में, उसमें मैं थोड़ा सा सेंधा नमक और गुड़ डाल के उसको धूप में ड्राई करती हूँ, वो पाउडर को। I dry it for 3 days, 4 days, and then I consume that powder for 3 to 4 months. It is a natural form, rather than taking वो जो बाहर आपको आंवला कैंडी मिलती है, उसमें प्रिजर्वेटिव्स है, तो you can have this as a non-preservative form. और ये आंवला जो आप धूप में सुखाते हो, वो आराम से आपका 8-9 महीने भी रहता है, खराब नहीं होता है, because you have put salt in it. आपने नमक डाल दिया है ना थोड़ा, वो उसको सस्टेन करने के लिए हेल्प करता है। आपको चाहिए you can put even black salt, whatever you want. I put सेंधा नमक and gur and I dry it in the sun. So आंवला powder will give you overall boosting property, which is a must. And then comes jaggery or honey. जैगरी और नेचुरल जैगरी, जैसे मैंने कल आप लोगों को बोला, शुगर नहीं, वी शुड बी कंज्यूमिंग जैगरी। अगर आपको जैगरी नहीं समझ पे आती है, यू कैन टेक हनी। product we have, it's honey also. If anybody wants, can take it that. और otherwise आपको लगता है जो हमारे घर पे है, fresh है, अच्छी है, you can take it. इस जूस को क्या करने का, you should finely chop. आपको चाहिए ना, अभी जैसे मैं मॉम के लिए पावर जूस कैसे बनाती हूँ, I put even जामुन का पत्ता, I put even मैंगो का पत्ता, I got even फनस का पत्ता, I even put नींबू का पत्ता, I put even नीम का पत्ता. Then in the evening when I make it, or in the afternoon when I make for her again, I put papaya ka patta, and then again I put जामुन का पत्ता in that. Because ये सब खुद में हीलिंग करता है. जिसको डायबिटीज है, आप जामुन के पत्ते दोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो हील करेगा. So that is the thing where we say power juice means it's just more of a leafy, nothing else but leaves, पत्तियां. तो इसको जब आप जूस बनाते हो, इसको एक्सट्रीमली फाइनली चॉप करके, हार्डली इट शुड बी 1 or 2 इन अ मिक्सी एज अ बोल, मतलब खाली 1 या 2 बार उसको घूमने चाहिए मिक्सी में. उसको निकाल के पुट अल्कलाइन वाटर. इफ इन केस अगर वो आपका स्टील का फ्लास्क है जो मिक्सर है, तो आप उसको इमीडिएटली निकाल के आप उसमें आप अपना अल्कलाइन पानी डालिए, जस्ट उसको मिक्स कर लीजिए चम्मच से, एनी प्लास्टिक स्पून एंड इन अ बाउल ऑफ ग्लास. उसको मिक्स करके आपको चाहिए आप ऐसे लीजिए, आपको चाहिए आप छान के लो, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन पर्सनस टेस्ट. आई टेक विदाउट छान के, माई मॉम टेक्स विद छान के, माई डैड ऑल्सो टेक्स विद छान के, क्योंकि उनको समझ पे नहीं आता है, उनको अनईजी लगता है. तो ये पेशेंट टू पेशेंट है. बट अगर उसको ये डेली दिया जाए ना, इट इज रियली अ हीलिंग प्रॉपर्टी. मैंने जहाँ पे आई डू एज अ वॉलंटियर, जब भी वहाँ पे किसी कोई हमारे पास डेंगू का पेशेंट आता है ना, वी जस्ट इमीडिएटली हम एवरी 3 आवर्स हम पपैया का पत्ता क्रश करके, तुलसी पत्ते के साथ क्रश करके, वी रिमूव द जूस एंड वी गिव इट विद अ हनी टू टेस्ट. उसको बोलते हैं आप खाली उसको चाटते जाइए. That is just go on taking it with your hand, not even with a spoon. And within 2 days, the person is well out from dengue and malaria, because उनकी platelet count कम हो जाती है ना. He is not able to fight the disease. So that is where important of power juice happens. Why we are saying itna confidently कि a person can be cured at any type of disease is only for that reason. उस दिन मैंने आपको एक पेशेंट की रिपोर्ट शेयर की थी, मॉनिटरिंग शेयर की थी. उसी पेशेंट की कल हमने CA 125 टेस्ट की थी, बिकॉज उनके बच्चे बोल रहे थे नहीं हमको रूल आउट करना है कि कहीं कैंसर तो नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर when patient had done sonography में it was showing the ovarian cyst multiple, and recommended to do CT scan and CA 125 for knowing the cancer. Okay, then
Yeah.
Hello, yeah, then the patient got it done, sonography done, so sorry, CT scan done. CT scan gave us the clarity, it is only and only the uterus के वहाँ पे thin lining है, but it is not showing any signs of cancer. Okay, then what we did, उसके बाद हमने वो patient का after 1 month of treatment with a therapy, what we did, अभी उसका treatment, आज हमने उसका CA 125 test किया which is negative. Live case है. It is live case, huh? So today what we have did, we have started even with vein therapy. Vein therapy क्या करेगा, जो उसके बॉडी में वाटर रिट्रेन कर रहा है, उसको वाटर रिटेंशन कर रहा है, तो वो उसको फ्लैश आउट करना चालू करेगा फटाफट. एनी क्वेश्चंस, एनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग यहाँ पे किसी को और समझना है? आप लोग क्वेश्चन करोगे, पूछोगे तो मुझे मालूम पड़ेगा आपको समझा है या नहीं समझा है. सोना मैडम, is it clear?
Yes, madam. Perfect. Yes, it is. I hope, as I was telling you all,
Anybody
please
else?
ask queries if you all want to,
It
so that
is-
we know you all are able to connect with us. आपको ये theories में नहीं रखना है. You have to practice it with your people around.
हेलो मैम.
Yes, tell me.
हाँ, मैं फरहा बोल रही हूँ. एक्चुअली मतलब टुडे आई
Yes,
गॉट
madam, tell me.
ज्वाइन. हाँ,
Okay.
तो
Yeah,
मुझे
tell
ना
me.
थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ आइडिया, अगर आप मतलब थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ आइडिया दे दे, क्योंकि मेरे बेटे के पास फोन था, उसकी क्लास चल रही थी.
Okay, I will
join
connect
किया.
to you later, Farah. I will connect. Let's go to the topic. कल हमने ऐसे ही रखा था connection के लिए. I will call you later and I will give you. अगर अभी हमने वापस ये पूरे topic का recap लिया, it's very time consuming. ठीक है, dear? I will connect to you back.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, madam. You continue
Yes.
ahead after the power
Yeah.
diet.
Yeah. Any questions over here now? No? Okay. Now,
all
when a person
clear.
starts with a power diet, हम क्या बोलते हैं, अगर आप किसी को भी पावर डाइट पे डालते हो ना, आप जितना होता है ना उनको रॉ 100% पे डालिए, क्योंकि उसका जो रिजल्ट उसको देगा ना विल बी रिजल्ट वेरी फास्टर कंपेयर टू एनीथिंग एल्स. पावर डाइट मतलब क्या? यू पुट हिम ऑन पावर जूस. पावर जूस में जो हमने आपको बताया, अब उनको 3 बार दो, 4 बार दो, 5 बार चाहिए 5 बार लेवे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. देन जैसे कल मैंने बोला, कोई पेशेंट अगर 65-75 kgs है तो उसका 1/10 आप उनको फ्रूट्स और सलाद बोलोगे कच्चा रॉ खाने के लिए. उसका 1/10 जो होगा 75 ग्राम, तो 75 grams he can have in the form of dry fruits as per the blood group. Nothing but as per the blood group. अगर वो बंदा खा नहीं सकता है, एजेड है, उसको ग्रेट करके दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर ग्रेट करके नहीं दे सकता है, फाइनली चॉप करके, जैसे आप पावर जूस बनाओगे वैसे ही आप सलाद का भी जूस बना के दो. सो यू कैन डू इन अ कॉम्बिनेशन. जैसे आपको चाहिए आप उनको जूसेस दो, जैसे चाहिए उनको फॉर्म ऑफ सलाद खिलाओ, जैसे चाहिए वेरिएशंस ऑफ उनके लिए आप फ्रूट्स प्लैटर्स बनाओ. So this is all about power diet. Is this clear?
Ma'am, I just wanted to know that for how long we can continue if a person is put on a 100% raw diet, like par diet, as you say, and par juice.
Yes.
Like for maximum, how many days we can put him on the?
So not the
this
days,
diet?
depending on the type of disease he is going through it, depending
All
on the
right.
time of duration. Now, if in case I'm talking about that patient who's on multiple cysts only with a BP problem, 1 to 3 months. So till 3 months, I'll be giving her only power diet. That is 100% raw with 100% juices.
Okay.
After that, slowly, gradually, I will start, but with 80-20.
Okay. In the ratio wise, like
Yes,
slowly
80-20 or
introducing
50.
to the
Yes.
normal food.
Yes, because so that the body should start accepting it, na? Because 3 months you are eating raw, which is a natural nutrients. Okay. In that
Yeah.
natural nutrients also we ask you to put CMD and have it,
All right.
because it's a concentrated mineral form. Even when you have a dry fruit, if a person is saying you are giving them early morning dry fruits, okay, say for an example, that dry fruit should be soaked clean in the night, and then you should put it CMD drops it and keep over there, and let that morning he should be consuming that water and the dry fruit.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, because CMD drops itself has started enacting on its own minerals, na?
Yes. Yes.
That is the reason.
Hello,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am. As you said, कि we can give power juice once or twice a day to the person.
Yes.
So
Normal patient, you can give once a day or twice a day. as per his liking, not a
Okay,
problem.
ma'am. And one more thing. Every time we have to make it fresh.
Yes, yes, it has to be
Yes.
fresh
Okay.
only. You can, क्योंकि उसका फिर आप न्यूट्रिएंट्स कंटेंट खत्म कर देते हो ना
Yeah, exactly.
इसके लिए.
Okay, ma'am.
और अगर स्प्राउट ब्लड ग्रुप के हिसाब से है तो यू कैन गिव नॉर्मली ए बी पॉजिटिव, ए और बी को तो स्प्राउट अलाउड ही नहीं है, खाली इट इज ओ पॉजिटिव विच कैन ईट स्प्राउट. सो पेशेंट विथ ओ पॉजिटिव you can give salad even in the form of a sprouts, but otherwise no for A and B. Then comes power steam. Why do we give power steam?
Ma'am, I just sorry to interrupt, but I just joined yesterday. I may be wrong, but when I was going through the blood group diet chart, I couldn't find O negative in that. Maybe I missed it.
No. I'll tell you what it is. See, whether I talk about A positive or B positive, it is only one liner which is written. It is applicable for both the blood groups. It is not a different diet for A positive different or B positive or A negative different. It is same.
So when I say I want to see for the person like my mother-in-law and my sister, she is O negative.
So the food type which is for O, you can give that.
Okay, so O type can be given to positive and negative both, right?
Yeah, even for A, even for B.
Okay, all right.
Okay, Shikha, sorry to intervene, Meedal madam.
Then
Shikha,
Yes, ma'am.
पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव में सिर्फ एब्सेंस एंड प्रेजेंस ऑफ एंटीजेंस होते हैं ब्लड सरफेस में, दैट्स इट. इसलिए देयर इज नथिंग, देयर इज नो डिफरेंट दिस थिंग कि आपका फूड उसके से. तो इट्स जस्ट आई होप वी ऑल नो दैट पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव ब्लड हैज जस्ट it just refers to
but I just wanted to clear that. Maybe in your therapy it might be a different case, so I wanted to clear my thing.
Not a concern, not a concern, because it's only a genes which is positive genes. The genes, if they are found, it is positive. The genes which are not found, it becomes negative blood group. That's it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Then comes power steam. You know, power steam can be taken by any person having any type of pain or any type of critical conditions. Critical conditions, if a patient is on dialysis, same person, his entire body may pain, his legs may shiver, his legs may pain. So what you can do, power steam is one of the healing property. Power steam, you have to take 1 liter of water, or depending upon the size of your cooker, okay, and then in that you can take 1 foot. उसमें आप 4 टेबलस्पून सेंधा नमक डालोगे, 4 टेबलस्पून आप अजवाइन डालोगे और 4 टेबलस्पून आप जिंजर डालोगे ग्रेट करके. उसको फिर आप कुकर को गैस पे रखोगे और उसकी जो विसल है, यू विल रिमूव दैट विसल, और वो विसल की जगह आप पाइप लगाओगे, and then the steam which starts coming from the pipe, you are supposed to be giving it at all the affected areas. मतलब अगर legs में swelling है तो legs पे दे दो, stomach में swelling है तो stomach पे दे दो, किसी को vertigo problem है आप थोड़ा veins में behind पूरे nerves पे दे दो तो it will help. किसी को back pain है तो आप back पे दे दो, किसी को frozen shoulder है तो frozen shoulders के area पे दे दो. तो हमारे जब भी when we start the therapy, we ask even the power steam to be given simultaneously, because person will sure have something or other problem with related to pains also. किसको ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस होगा, किसको आर्थराइटिस होगा, किसको नी में पेन होगा, किसको हील्स में पेन होगा, तो आप दे सकते हो. यहाँ पे कोई क्वेश्चंस?
Hello.
Yes, Narendra.
Yes. Can you repeat the content actually?
Power steam is taken 4 tablespoon of rock salt.
Okay.
4 tablespoon of ajwain. or teaspoons, or 4 teaspoon or tablespoon, depending on your size of cooker. Okay. So
Okay.
4 teaspoon of ajwain and 4 teaspoon of ginger grated.
Okay.
Hmm, hmm. Sona madam, will you just continue? I need to talk to that vein therapist. Yeah.
Yes, madam. Yes, I will. I will. Okay.
Can I interrupt?
Yes, yes. Tell me. Yes, Supriya madam.
Before taking the power juice, power steam, apply oil to the affected area, whichever. Suppose you want to give steam to your knees or to the back, so apply oil, either coconut oil, yeah, mustard oil, or yeah, til ka oil, anything, and then you give power steam for around 15 minutes. Over to you, Sona ma'am.
Yeah. So, answering to Narendra's question, madam was telling the ingredients and the method how to make the power steam. As she mentioned, we need to take 4 tablespoons or teaspoons depending on the amount of water you're taking in, rock salt, and to it you can add grated ginger, around the same measure, 4 teaspoons, 4 teaspoons ajwain, and you can cook this in the water, और ये प्रेशर कुकर में अच्छे से उसको ये करके you can use rubber pipe or this thing, and you can take the steam. एक पाइप आता है जो हम प्रेशर कुकर के जो विसल है उसको निकालने के बाद हम वो डायरेक्ट स्टीम देते हैं to the affected body part. Okay, so this, as madam said, yes, apply oil ताकि inflammation of the skin कम रहे. And we can give it to any body part which is, as she mentioned, frozen shoulder है, backache है, या कहीं पे भी आपको थोड़ा सा ligament tear, muscle spasm है, so you can give this to the people who are having any pain, discomfort, or mobility issues in that area. Okay, I think we, tell me, Narendra.
Can we use that electronic steamer?
Basically, I always say when you use in naturopathy, when you use it in natural, the best way is to use is इसी चीज में अगर आप एक Turkish towel या soft towel पानी में डुबा के squeeze करके इसको रखोगे, you will get direct heat. When you take an electric heater, electrolysis method से आपके body में steam आती है. Yes, it is a fast method, but you don't get these ingredients in it. तो इसकी जो इसकी जो एलिमेंट्स हैं, इसमें जो ट्रीटिंग एलिमेंट्स हैं, वो आपको उसका बेनिफिट नहीं मिल सकता है. अदरवाइज एज पर योर कन्वीनियंट, बट अगर आप ये नेचुरल वे से कर रहे हो, इट इज बेटर कि आप ये प्रोसेस अपने पेशेंट को, अपने क्लाइंट को या खुद भी फॉलो करो.
ओके. सुना मैम, ये टॉवेल को क्या बोला आपने?
मैंने बोला कि अगर हमारे पास इसका ये नहीं है, हमारे पास वो पाइप नहीं है, नॉर्मली गैस के पाइप का जो हमारे पास आता है वो सीटी निकाल के, वो विसिल निकाल के हम वो पाइप को वहां पे डाल सकते हैं, तो ये स्टीम आता है. बट इफ यू डोंट हैव, तो ये बॉईल हो गया पानी, आप इसमें जाड़ा कोई भी क्लॉथ टॉवल डाल दो, सी हाउ मच यू कैन टेक इट, जितना अच्छा होगा गर्म रहे, और इसको आप अफेक्टेड एरियाज पे लगा सकते हो, उसका सेक दे सकते हो आप.
ओके ओके.
ये मैंने एक ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड बताया आप लोग को.
So in that
hot fermentation, हाँ बोलिए.
You don't have to boil so much, ना? Then you can take little less quantity instead of 1 liter.
हाँ, नहीं, quantity depends on how much you want. अगर आपके पास पाइप है तो इतना बॉईल करके आप वो डायरेक्ट स्टीम दे रहे हो ना, जैसे आपका वाटर हीट हो रहा है. हाँ
बराबर है.
अभी आप टॉवल डालोगे तो डेफिनेटली यू विल हैव टू डू इट मैन्युअली. इवन योर स्किन शुड बी एबल टू बेयर दैट हीट. So this is called as hot fermentation to the affected areas. I think we should complete it here. We have already crossed the time. It's 11:46. Those who have any queries can obviously relate to their buddies. आप उनसे कनेक्ट करो, whoever has introduced you, your partner buddies, ताकि आप जब कल आए तो आपके काफी सारे questions resolve हो जाएं. Otherwise कल हम वापस इस चीज का recap लेंगे. I hope the topics are done and clear with you all. Any questions? If you can be quick.
Not yet till now.
Okay, should we leave and complete the meeting here?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you every
कोहर हेल्थ सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए।